Hello everyone, I am Shrestha and welcome to my channel This Might Help. In today's video, we are going to talk about journaling and mental health, journaling and overall well-being. And again, this is going to be a part of my hashtag journal series with me, so it's going to be another video in that. Also guys, let me tell you, today is International Mental Health Day and I thought what a good day to share about how to take care of our mental health. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today's shout out goes to Mental Mantras and Meenu. Thank you so much for commenting on my video. It really means the world to me. And guys, both of them have their very own YouTube channel. I would highly urge you to go and check it out. And guys, if you're thinking, how can you get a shout out in my next video? All you have to do is comment below this video or tag me in any of your Instagram stories. My Instagram handle is thismighthelp.tmh. And now without any further ado, let's talk about mental health. So in today's video, first of all, I want to talk about some benefits of journaling for our mental health, followed by some prompts from me, and you can journal with me, which is actually, I think, the fun part of this video. Let's start with talking about some benefits first. First thing first, it gives you clarity of mind, and it's just not for your mental health. It is a fact that after you journal, you will get clarity of mind, whether it is for a creative fun to get more ideas or to, take care of your own mental health when you finally realize what's going in your mind. 2. Helps you realize some negative patterns or negative thoughts or repetitive thoughts which are going in your mind and perhaps making you anxious or getting you in a low mood. Sometimes it's all about identifying those negative patterns which are affecting you. 3. Helps in reducing stress. 4. Also helps in identifying your triggering points which perhaps kind of triggers you, makes you more anxious maybe, or gets you again in a sad mood or maybe angry. So it's also about identifying those trigger points. Also guys, while I was preparing for this video, I was doing a lot of reading and I was doing a lot of research work as well, and I ended up finding few articles which were really good and I would like to share them with you. So I'm going to link it in the description box below in case someone is interested to read more about it. Also, this goes without saying that journaling is just one of the ways which will help you take care of your overall well-being, of your mental health, but there are so many other things which you should be doing so as to take care of your mental health. So let's talk about few of them. 1. Indulge in self-care. I just made a video on self-care and I would highly urge you to check it out. It's my take on self-care and 6 tips which you can use to practice self-care, and it will really work for you if you're ready to implement them. 2. Take care of your body. Eat wholesome, nutritious food, do regular workouts, go out for a walk, spend time in nature, and all those good things. 3. Keeping yourself super hydrated by drinking at least 3 to 4 liters of water every single day. 4. You can also try some guided meditations. They don't need to be, very elaborate, but they can be very simple and quick, and it can be as simple as, bringing your attention towards your breathing. So I would highly recommend you to try some guided meditations. 5. Do things which makes you happy. Take out some time, sit down, relax, and take frequent breaks. And most importantly guys, seek professional help. There is no shame in asking for professional help if you need. So by all means, if you think that's what you need, go for it. And now the fun part where we journal together and I do less of talking. So pause this video right now, grab your notebooks and pen, and let's journal with me. So like all my journaling videos, I tell you the prompts, we pause the video and we answer them. And we'll start with something which is my favorite, and sorry for the light disturbances. The sun and the clouds are playing a game today and there are going to be shadows and sun, so excuse me for that. Also guys, just a disclaimer about the prompts. These prompts are not specific to any particular condition. It's just there to take care of your overall well-being and your mental health. And guys, we'll start with something which is my absolutely favorite, something I like to journal every single day. If you have been watching my videos, you could have guessed by now, but anyway, let's start with the first prompt, and that is 10 things you're grateful about. Pause this video guys and write this in your journal. For me, some things I'm grateful for every single day. First of all, for this beautiful day I've been given by God. I'm grateful for my family and friends. I'm grateful for you guys who come to my channel, watch my videos and spend some time with me. I'm grateful for the food I eat whenever I go out on my nature walk. I'm grateful for the amazing fresh air I can breathe in. I'm grateful to nature for giving us such spectacular views and beauty. So for me, my list of gratitude is always endless. Second, 10 things you love about yourself. Pause this video and answer this. For me, guys, reminding yourself what are the things you love about yourself is really important. It's like a gentle reminder, what are the things you can love about yourself, because that leads to self-love and self-acceptance, and that is the reason I ask you to journal this so many times, because this is really important. 3. Your biggest fear, which ended up being unrealistic in the longer run. Sometimes our biggest fear doesn't let us live our best life. It holds us back. So identifying those fears are really important, because some of them don't even come true. It's just in our mind that we create such fears, which further creates more anxiety and panic prone situations for us. 4. Your 3 wins for today. For me, it's filming this video and uploading it on time. I ate a very wholesome, nutritious breakfast in the morning, and I went out for a workout today. So all these 3 are my wins for today. 6. Things that bother you the most. 7. 5 things that make you unique. 8. What struggles are you facing right now? 9. What is self-love according to you? 10. Write down some positive affirmations which you will repeat to yourself every morning. For me, I like to start my day by being grateful, and then I always repeat it to myself that everything is safe in my world, I am loved, I am grateful, I am blessed. This is something I repeat every single day, and I would love to know what positive affirmation you have decided to recite every morning. And with that, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. Take care of yourself, love yourself, and I'll meet you next Thursday. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. I love you all.